Okay, now we're going to move into possibly the most unusual and the most difficult section of the track, which utilises lots of position shifts and open string pull-offs. I'm going to play you the first little lick and then we break it down. Sounds like this. Okay, there's that first lick, which basically slides into 7 on the A, and then plays 5 on the D, hammering on 7 on the D. Then pull off 5 to open G, and then play 7 on the D. Then we have this rather unusual lick, which is pulling off 5 to open G, and then we actually play a B flat on the D string, which, if it wasn't the fact that it was repeated, I thought that maybe it was played as a mistake, but it's... So it's 5 pull off open G and then land on 8 on the D, and then pull off 6 to open B, and play 9 on the G, then pull off 7 to open G, then play 9 on the D, so, and then we pull off 8 on the B to 11 on the G, so it's, and then we just have a trill between 9 and 11 on the G, so it's, sounds very rushed on the track. Then the next lick is very similar. It's played on the, starts on the E string. You get, so that one I'm sliding in 7 on the E, and then hammering 5 up to 7 on the A string, and then pulling off 5 to open D on the D string, and then 7 on the A. Pull off 5 on the G to open, and then 9 on the D. Then pull off 7 on the D to open, and then 9 on the D string. So, and then the final lick is pull off 7 to open on the G, and then play 11 on the D string, and then finish off with a hammer on of 9 to 11. So you get this sound. Then the first section again. And then the section finishes off with a series of trills, which is just 9, 11, 7 and 9, 5 and 7, and then 4 and 6. So when you put it together, you get